So we are continuing from Union Territories. So Article 239 to 241 यानी कि आपका 239 है 240 है and 240 यानी dedicated only three articles are given to Union Territory. So under Article 1 of the Constitution, the territory of India comprises three category. सबसे पहले आता है आपका territory of the state, UTs, तो ये आपका UT है, and third territory that may be acquired by the government of India at any time, यानी कि futuristic वे में रखा गया है. At present there are 28 states, 9 UT, शायद 8 हो चुका है, and no acquired territory. So the state that are member of, तो टोटल जो 8 UT है वो है आपका अंडमान एंड निकोबार एंड चंडीगढ़, दादरा नगर हवेली एंड दमन दीव, जो कि मर्ज हुआ है 2020 में, एंड दिल्ली NCR एंड जम्मू एंड कश्मीर जो कि 2019 में बना है, और लद्दाख आपका 2019 में हुआ है. फिर हमारे पास लक्षद्वीप है एंड पुडुचेरी. तो ये जो 8 हो गया, तो ये जो देखिए दादरा एंड नगर हवेली ये मर्ज हुआ है, चंडीगढ़ है, अंडमान निकोबार, दिल्ली, जम्मू कश्मीर, लद्दाख, लक्षद्वीप एंड पुडुचेरी. So at present there are 28 states and 8 UT. The states that are member of federal system in India and share a distribution of power with the center. So the UT on the other hand are those areas which are under direct control and administration of the central government. Hence they are also known as centrally administered territories. In this way, the existence of these territories constitute a conspicuous departure from federalism in India. Conspicuous का मतलब होता है आपका clearly visible, attracting notice or attention. He showed conspicuous bravery. There was a conspicuous logo on the back of the device, clearly visible. So the government of India is in the unitary in so far as the relationship between the New Delhi and these central enclaves is concerned. Now, creation of UT. During the British rule, the certain areas were constituted as scheduled district in 1874. Later, they came to be known as Chief Commissioner Provinces. After independence, they were placed in the category of Part C states and Part D territories. So in 1956, they were constituted as the UT by the 7th Constitutional Amendment Act 1956 and the State Reorganization Act 1956. So gradually, some of these UT have been elevated to statehood. Thus, Himachal Pradesh, आपका मणिपुर हो गया, त्रिपुरा हो गया, मिजोरम हो गया, Arunachal Pradesh and Goa, which are states today, were formerly union. On the other hand, the territories that were acquired from the Portuguese Goa, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and the French Puducherry were constituted as the UT. So at present there are 8. तो हम लोग वो लोग देखेंगे. ये जो आपका दादरा एंड दमन था ये मर्ज हो गया आपका 2020 में. सो ये आपका दमन एंड दीव, दादरा नगर हवेली मर्ज्ड विद दादरा नगर हवेली. ठीक है, ये आपका एक्ट 2019 का, लेकिन ये इफेक्टिव हुआ आपका 26 जनवरी 2020 से, रिपब्लिक डे के दिन. तो ये टोटल हो गया 8 अब. So till 1973, Lakshadweep was known by the name Lakadive and Minicoy and Amnidevi Island. In 1982, Delhi was redesignated as the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Till 2006, Puducherry was known as Pondicherry. तो अभी बहुत लोग Pondicherry ही बोलते हैं, लेकिन Puducherry 2006 तक ही बोला जाता था. The UT have been created by a variety of reasons. These are mentioned below. सबसे पहले आपका है political and administrative consideration, Delhi and Chandigarh. Cultural and distinctiveness, Puducherry, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Strategic importance, Andaman and Nicobar Island in Lakshadweep. Special treatment and care of backward and tribal people, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, which later became a state. So in 2019, the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir was bifurcated into two separate UT, namely the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh. While introducing the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2019, so in 2019, the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir was bifurcated into two separate UT, namely the UT of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh. While introducing the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2019 in the In the parliament, the central government gave the following reason for the creation of these two new UT. Ladakh division of the state of Jammu and Kashmir has a large area, but it sparsely populated with a very difficult terrain. There has been a long pending demand of people of Ladakh to give it the status of a UT to enable them to realize their aspiration. The UT of Ladakh will be without legislature. Further, keeping in view the prevailing internal security situation fueled by cross-border terrorism in the existing state of Jammu and Kashmir, a separate UT for Jammu and Kashmir is being created. So the UT of Jammu and Kashmir will be the with the legislature. Administration of UT पे आते हैं. Article 239 to 241 in Part 8 of Constitution deal with the UT. Even though all the union territory belong to one category, there is no uniformity in their administrative system. Every UT is administered by the president acting through the administrator appointed by him. An administrator of a UT is an agent of the president and not a head of a state like governor. The president can specify the designation of an administrator. It may be lieutenant or lieutenant governor or chief commissioner or administrator. तो यहाँ पे as I remember, I was once in Andaman and Nicobar और I was staying in a hotel और वहाँ पे कैटलॉग था जहाँ उस समय के जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर थे आपके अंडमान निकोबार के वो कोई आईएएस थे. तो जस्ट टू नो कि आईएएस भी और गवर्नर भी कोई भी बन सकते हैं आपके. तो वहाँ मेंशन था नॉट एलजी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर लिखा हुआ था of Andaman and Nicobar. So it is a lieutenant governor in the case of Delhi, Puducherry, Andaman, Nicobar. So every UT is administered by the president acting through an administrator appointed by him. An administrator of a unit UT is an agent of the president and not head of the state like the governor. तो यहाँ तक हम लोगों ने किया. At present, it is LG in case of Delhi. तो यहाँ तक हम लोग देख लिया. Administrator in the case of Chandigarh, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman Diu, and Lakshadweep. The president can also appoint the governor of a state as an administrator of adjoining UT. In that capacity, the governor is to act independently of his council of ministers. The UT of Pondicherry 1963, Delhi 1992, Jammu and Kashmir 2019 are provided with a legislative assembly and the council of ministers headed by chief minister. The remaining 6 UT do not have such popular political situation, but the establishment of such a situation in the UT does not diminish the supreme control of the president and parliament over them. The parliament can make laws on any subject of 3 lists, including the state list. For UT, this power of parliament also extends to Puducherry, Delhi, and Kashmir, which have their own local legislature. This means that the legislative power of parliament for the UT on subject of the state list remain unaffected even after establishing local legislature for them. But the Legislative Assembly of Puducherry can also make laws on any subject of the state list and concurrent list. Similarly, the Legislative Assembly of Delhi can make laws on any subject of the state list except public order, police and land, and the concurrent list. Likewise, the Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir can make laws on any subject of the state list except public order of the police and concurrent list. The President can make regulation for the peace, progress, and good governance of the Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, and Ladakh. In the case of Puducherry also, the President can legislate by making regulation, but only when the Assembly is suspended or dissolved. A regulation made by the President has same force and effect as an act of Parliament and can also repeal or amend any act of Parliament in relation to these UT. The Parliament can establish a High Court for a UT or put it under the jurisdiction of the adjacent state. Delhi is the only UT that has High Court of its own since 1966. तो 1966 से दिल्ली का अपना है. The Bombay High Court has got jurisdiction over 2 UT, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Andaman Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Lakshadweep and Puducherry are placed under the Calcutta, Punjab and Haryana, Kerala and Madras High Court respectively. The Jammu and Kashmir High Court is the common High Court for 2 UT of Jammu and Ladakh. The constitution does not contain any separate provision for the administration of acquired territory, but the constitution provision for the administration of UT also apply to the acquired territory. Now, a special provision of Delhi पे आते हैं. The 69th Constitutional Amendment Act 1991 provided special status to the UT of Delhi and redesignated its national capital territory of Delhi and designated the administrator of Delhi as a lefty. Lieutenant Governor. It created Legislative Assembly and Council of Ministers for Delhi. Previously, Delhi had a Metropolitan Council and an Executive Council. The strength of the Assembly is fixed at 70 members directly elected by the people. The elections are conducted by the Election Commission of India. The Assembly can make laws on all the matters of the state list and the concurrent list except the three matters of the state list, that is public order, police and land. But the laws of Parliament prevail over those made by the Assembly. The strength of Council of Ministers is fixed at 10% of total strength of the Assembly, that is 7, one chief minister and 6 other minister. C is appointed by the president, not by it. The other minister are appointed by the president on the advice of chief minister. The minister hold office during the pleasure of president. The council of ministers is collectively responsible to the assembly. The council of ministers headed by the chief minister aid and advise the lieutenant governor in the exercise of his function except in so far as he required to act in the discretion. In the case of difference of opinion between the lieutenant governor and his ministers, the lieutenant governor is to refer the matter to the president for decision and act accordingly. In a situation arises in which the administration of the territory cannot be carried on in accordance with the above provision, the president can suspend their provision operation and make the necessary incidental and consequential provision for administrating the territory. In brief, in case of failure of constitutional machinery, the president can impose his rule in the territory. This can be done on the report of the LG or otherwise. This provision resembles the Article 356, which deals with the imposition of president rule in the state. The LG is empowered to promulgate ordinance during recess of the assembly. An ordinance has the same force as an act of assembly. Every such ordinance must be approved by the assembly within 6 weeks from its reassembly. He can also withdraw an ordinance at any time, and but he cannot promulgate an ordinance when the assembly is dissolved or suspended. Further, no such ordinance can be promulgated or withdrawn without the prior permission of the president. Advisory Committee of the UT. Under the Government of India, Allocation of Rules 1961, Ministry of the Home Affairs is the nodal ministry for all matters of UT relating to legislation, finance and budget service and appointment of LG and administrator. All the 6 UT without legislation, Andaman, Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, have the form of Home Ministers Advisory Committee, AAC, while HMAC is the chaired by Union Home Minister, AAC chaired by the administrator of the concerned UT. Member of Parliament elected member from the local bodies, etc., district panchayat and municipal council of the respective UT are member of this committee among others. The committee discusses the general issue relating to the social and economic development of the UT. Now, comparing the state and the UT, the relationship between center is federal, the relationship with the center is unitary. Share distribution of power with center, they are under the direct control and administration of the center. They have autonomy, they do not have the autonomy. There is a uniformity in their administrative setup, there is no uniformity in their administrative setup. So these are the article concerned. 239 Administration of UT. 239A Creation of local legislature or council of ministers for both the central for certain union territory. 239AA Special provision with respect to Delhi. 239AB Provision case of failure of constitutional machinery. 239B Power of administrator to promulgate ordinance during the recess of legislature. 240 Power of president to make regulation for certain UT. And 241 the High Court for UT. And 242 is it's repealed. So High Court for UT is under 241. So this much for this video. Thank you.